When your Vissani portable air conditioner stops working correctly, the quickest fix is often a full power reset. Start by unplugging the unit completely from the wall outlet. Leave it disconnected for about 5 to 10 minutes so any stored electrical charge inside the system can fully discharge. This pause allows the internal control board to clear minor glitches. After waiting, plug the unit back in and try turning it on again. In many cases, this simple power cycle restores normal operation. Vissani portable AC units also include a safety power cord with a built-in leakage current detection device. On the plug, you'll see Test and Reset buttons. Press the Reset button first, then press Test. The Reset button should pop out with a click. After that, press Reset again so it locks back in place. If the cord does not trip during testing or won't reset properly, the cord may be faulty and should be replaced by a qualified technician. If the unit powers on but isn't cooling properly, check 3 key areas. Make sure the thermostat is set lower than the room temperature, inspect the air filter for dust buildup, and confirm the circuit breaker hasn't tripped. Poor cooling is often caused by a clogged filter restricting airflow. If you notice water leaking, the internal drain tank may be full and simply needs to be emptied. For newer smart-enabled Vissani models, you can also verify settings through compatible apps like Hubspace or voice assistants such as Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa.